First one, you've got to have the phone or the address in your footer. Now, the address has to match your business address for your registration of your business, whichever authority you've registered your business with, ASIC in Australia, for instance. But it also has to match the business that you use to set up your Google accounts, your Google ad accounts, okay? That has to be consistent. Just like Amazon, it has to be consistent, ducks in a row, Kate Ingham, all that stuff really, really matters, okay? An example of that is here, look. So they've got the telephone number on there, look. So they don't have the actual address, but they've got a telephone number. You can contact this company, okay? So it's one or the other. Contact us page in the header menu. So let's go back up here. Header menu is everything what's up here, okay? That's all header menu. So you've got to have a way to contact in there. That is it here, look. That little telephone, that's it in the footer menu for the first one, okay? It's one or t'other. Policies, hopefully that makes sense, but you want to have all of these policies and they have to be separate policies. Privacy policy, that's one. Terms of service policy, that's two. Shipping policy, that's a third one. Returns and refunds, okay? They have to be separate things. You can't just put them all in together. You need 4 policy pages. Your shipping policy has to include that information. Super, super easy, but it's got to be in there. Must be in there, okay? The returns and refunds, you must have a 30-day return policy. That's Google's own standard. You have to follow their standards. Like Amazon. Amazon has 30-day returns. It's actually got longer than that in reality, but certainly in terms of their terms of service, it's the 30-day return window, okay? So that's got to be in there. Payment icons, they need to be on your website. Let's just scroll down. So all of these payment options, they need to be visible. How can people pay? What methods do you accept for payment? That's got to be on your website too. Delivery times, how quickly is the thing going to get posted out from wherever it's being stored? How long from there? And then roughly how long until you get it? Your customers have to know that information, okay? Money back guarantees. It's got to be on your returns and refunds page. And the final one, which is a big one, is there was a whole thing, I don't know, maybe like a year ago, something like that, where most websites that you went to had some kind of gimmick on them, whether that was a timer where you only have X amount of time until you order, you've got to order right now, that sort of thing going on, or a spin the wheel thing to get a particular discount, which is supposed to gamify the process. All those kind of things, Google hates. And so don't put any of those on your website, okay? If you do all that, you should have no problems getting your stuff approved. But they are the 9 things that Google wants to see for you to be able to get into that area, okay? Very, very cool. You could also argue as well that they're important for being there too, but certainly for this area here, for the actual shopping ads, you want to make sure you got all those covered. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of 2,500 members and growing. We're the fastest growing community of professional e-commerce sellers right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. $50 million, holy crap. If you'd like to find out more about what we do and how we can help you build your own e-commerce business too, get off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that is in the description. And thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.